Get ready to embark on an exciting journey through one of America's most captivating states, Georgia. In this video, we'll unveil 5 incredible destinations that showcase the state's rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From bustling city streets to tranquil natural wonders, join us as we explore the diverse and enchanting treasures that await discovery in Georgia. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is Jekyll Island. Nestled along Georgia's enchanting coastline lies a hidden gem waiting to be explored, Jekyll Island. This idyllic paradise offers a perfect blend of tranquility and natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Jekyll Island boasts pristine beaches adorned with intricate driftwood sculptures, creating a picturesque backdrop for leisurely strolls or lazy days spent basking in the sun. Nature enthusiasts will delight in the island's diverse ecosystem, where marshlands teem with wildlife and maritime forests offer endless opportunities for exploration. One of the island's highlights is the Georgia Sea Turtle Center, a renowned rehabilitation facility dedicated to the conservation of these majestic creatures. Visitors can embark on educational tours, witness turtle releases, and even participate in hands-on experiences, making it a memorable and enriching outing for all ages. For history buffs, the Jekyll Island Club National Historic Landmark District offers a fascinating glimpse into the island's storied past as a winter retreat for America's elite. Explore opulent mansions, stroll through lush gardens, and immerse yourself in the charm of this bygone era. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Jekyll Island beckons with its unparalleled beauty and serene ambiance, promising an unforgettable getaway filled with moments of joy and discovery. Up next in our countdown, number 4. Escape the ordinary and discover the awe-inspiring beauty of Georgia's Blue Ridge Mountains. Tucked away in the northern reaches of the state, this picturesque region beckons adventurers and nature lovers alike with its breathtaking vistas and boundless outdoor activities. Begin your journey in the charming town of Blue Ridge, where quaint shops and cozy cafes line the streets, inviting you to wander and explore. Step aboard the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway for a leisurely ride through the mountains, offering unparalleled views of the surrounding landscape and a glimpse into the area's rich history. As you venture deeper into the mountains, immerse yourself in the pristine wilderness of the Chattahoochee National Forest. Hike along verdant trails shaded by towering trees, pausing to admire cascading waterfalls and panoramic overlooks that stretch as far as the eye can see. Amicalola Falls State Park is a must-visit destination boasting the tallest waterfall in Georgia and a myriad of recreational opportunities. Embark on a challenging hike to the top of the falls for a truly rewarding experience, or opt for a more leisurely stroll along the park's serene pathways. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply longing to reconnect with nature, the Blue Ridge Mountains offer a sanctuary of peace and tranquility amidst Georgia's bustling landscape. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and prepare to be enchanted by the majesty of this pristine mountain paradise. Set out on an unforgettable journey to number 3 in our countdown, Stone Mountain Park, where adventure and natural beauty collide in perfect harmony. Just a stone's throw away from Atlanta, this iconic destination offers a plethora of attractions and activities that promise fun and excitement for visitors of all ages. Ascend to new heights aboard the Summit Sky Ride, a thrilling cable car ride that transports you to the summit of Stone Mountain, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape that will leave you breathless. Marvel at the majestic granite outcropping, a geological wonder that serves as the centerpiece of the park and a testament to the forces of nature. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Stone Mountain Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with miles of scenic hiking trails, picturesque picnic areas, and recreational opportunities galore. Whether you're zip-lining through the treetops, pedaling along the park's extensive network of bike paths, or embarking on a leisurely paddleboat cruise, there's no shortage of ways to get your adrenaline pumping and make lasting memories with family and friends. For those craving a dose of history and culture, the park offers a variety of educational experiences, including the Discovering Stone Mountain Museum and the Historic Square, where you can step back in time and explore a recreated 19th century village. So pack your sense of adventure and get ready to experience the wonders of Stone Mountain Park, a place where excitement, natural beauty, and cherished memories await around every corner. Sliding into the runner-up spot is Atlanta, Georgia's vibrant capital city where culture, history, and modernity converge to create an electrifying urban experience like no other. Bursting with energy and diversity, Atlanta offers a plethora of attractions and activities guaranteed to captivate visitors from near and far. Begin your journey by immersing yourself in the rich history of the civil rights movement at the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historic Site. Walk in the footsteps of Dr. King as you explore his childhood home, Ebenezer Baptist Church, and the inspiring exhibits that chronicle his life and legacy. No visit to Atlanta is complete without a trip to the world-renowned Georgia Aquarium, where you can marvel at the wonders of the underwater world and come face to face with majestic marine creatures from around the globe. From graceful whale sharks to playful dolphins, the aquarium offers an unforgettable journey beneath the sea. For a taste of nature in the heart of the city, venture to the Atlanta Botanical Garden, a lush oasis of tranquility featuring stunning floral displays, serene walking paths, and captivating exhibitions that celebrate the beauty and diversity of the natural world. And let's not forget about the city's cultural offerings, from the vibrant street art scene of the Beltline to the world-class museums of the Atlanta History Center. Whether you're exploring eclectic neighborhoods like Little Five Points or indulging in the city's renowned culinary scene, Atlanta promises endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. And then there's my personal favorite thing to do in Atlanta. Spend a spring afternoon or summer evening in Truist Park watching a Braves baseball game. Chop on, so come experience the dynamic heartbeat of Atlanta, a city where history meets innovation and every corner reveals a new and exciting adventure waiting to be explored. Before we reveal the #1 Georgia destination, I'd like to take a moment to remind you to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to let me know what your favorite place is to visit in Georgia. And now, without further ado, the top spot in our countdown. Step into a world of timeless beauty and southern hospitality as you journey to Savannah, Georgia's crown jewel in a city steeped in history, culture, and charm. From its cobblestone streets to its majestic oak trees draped in Spanish moss, Savannah beckons visitors with its enchanting allure and rich tapestry of experiences. Begin your exploration in Forsyth Park, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city known for its iconic fountain and lush greenery. Take a leisurely stroll beneath the canopy of live oaks, or simply relax and soak in the serene ambiance of this beloved local landmark. No visit to Savannah would be complete without a tour of its historic homes and squares, each one a testament to the city's storied past. Wander through the picturesque squares that dot the city's landscape, marveling at the elegant architecture and tranquil beauty that surrounds you. For a taste of Savannah's darker side, delve into the city's haunted history with a ghost tour of its most notorious sites. From the haunted halls of the Sorrel-Weed House to the eerie tales of Bonaventure Cemetery, these spine-tingling excursions offer a glimpse into Savannah's mysterious past. And of course, no trip to Savannah would be complete without a visit to River Street, a bustling hub of shops, restaurants, and entertainment overlooking the Savannah River. Sample Southern cuisine, browse unique boutiques, or simply take in the sights and sounds of this lively waterfront district. So come experience the magic of Savannah, a city where Southern charm meets historic splendor, and every corner reveals a new treasure waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Georgia's diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. We hope you've been inspired to explore these remarkable destinations for yourself. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the beauty of the Peach State.